good, y'all? Welcome back to another video. We got the bootleg again behind the camera, but welcome back to another video. I appreciate y'all for tuning into another video, and I appreciate the love that y'all showed on the last one as always. But right now, you guys probably could tell by the title of the video. Not sure what I titled it yet, but maybe this will be the title. You guys already know where we're headed to. We're gonna go have lunch right now at a pretty dope place. We were supposed to go there like 2 months ago, but my work schedule didn't let me go, but we are gonna make it this time. If you guys are all having a beautiful, amazing day, make sure y'all hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and be part of the family. Because where we're about to go to, bro, is pretty damn lit, and hopefully where we go, there is cars on the track. That's a hint. Also, I was gonna take the Supra to Seattle this weekend, and I was gonna take the Supra out there as like a trip, you know, take it to Seattle, road trip, get pictures, videos, content, all that. But it was too last minute that I decided not to, bro, just because I'd have to tune this car back to stock, and then my E50 files to tune it back isn't there. It's all like, I don't know, so I gotta talk to my tuner to do all this stuff. Then again, it's raining out there too, so don't want to take the R888s out there and be sliding all over the damn place. So maybe next time we'll take it, but yeah, unfortunately we ain't taking the Supra. Pick up the camera when we get there to the spot. It's gonna be dope, but yeah, it should be like a damn clip for you guys. For us, it's gonna be like an hour drive. So we have arrived, guys. We're not gonna show you the building just yet. We're gonna park and everything first, but we didn't find the parking, and I found some.
Damn, there's a lot of Porsches here. Duh.
Oh my god, duh. We got here just in time. It is 2 o'clock, bro. Oh, vehicle closest state. Bro, I am right here. What are you talking about? What? Yeah, I was like, bro, this thing is tripping. But guys, we are here at the Porsche Experience Center. We are here for our lunch. That's a Porsche, bro. That sounds so good. Yeah, let's just buy the Experience, bro. Fuck it. I know, bro. We have the Experience, the lunch.
Awesome. I'm gonna have the two of you guys fill out form number 2 for us. Visitor log, please.
Alright, cool. Damn, bro. Just look at inside here, bro. It's insane. It's so sick. Alright, but we gotta go up here. Wow, look at this place. All fancy. We're just gonna wait to get seated, but here's like the menu items and all that.
So you finish getting a set, I'll get you guys seated.
Perfect, thank you. And we got a window seat. So we're gonna be able to see the track and like the cars racing and everything like that over there. So sick. Guys, look at this, bro. The track. Cars are racing right now. Look, they're lining up. Bro, this is so sick. Literally watching Porsches race, bro. That is so sick. Look, they're lining up over there. They're driving to the water too. That's crazy. Look at this group. This group's about to go out right now. Bro, come on, bro. That's so sick. Guys, look at the butter. Look at the butter. This is so sick. This shape of Porsches. Oh, I don't want to do that. Already did. Guys, look at this. Bread is pretty bussin' though, not gonna lie. It is bussin'. Maybe next time we'll do that. But that's so sick. Bro, look at these cars driving in the water. Like, I don't know what they're doing, but some of them like be spinning out and shit. Like, see, look at that guy drifting. Dang, and they're back. Look at that, they're so clean, bro. You guys understand why I want a Porsche now? Do you guys get it? I think a lot of you guys get it already.
Whip it.
He said whip it. Take them corners with some balls, boys. Some of them be taking this thing quick. Next time I gotta whip one of them, or at least be in it. This dude looks so sick. Bro, that dude is swinging that SUV on the water. He is swinging that shit, bro. Look at him. Bro, that is insane. Look at him, bro. He's doing donuts in that shit. What? What a gangster, bro. Bro, it must be nice. I guess they're having like a corporate event for Porsche, and these dudes are all like whipping the Porsches. must be nice, bro. That's so sick. Bro, look at all these Porsches that just started rolling in. Damn, bro. Pick your poison, bro. Which one do you guys want? Which one would you guys take out of all of these that you guys see right here? Which one? Pause the video, look at it, zoom in, do what you gotta do. Which one would you take? Yeah, I know y'all didn't do that shit. If you, bro, this one right here is so clean with that wing. Just look at that. Damn, bro. Please let me have. It's like the next corporate group. These dudes are so lucky, bro. They get to whip all these Porsches and do laps around the track. That's so sick. Bro, but that one over there, that one is clean. Luckies. Bro, the jealousy right now that I have for these guys. You guys don't even know, man. You guys don't even know. Just want to cry and leave.
Per usual, I get the best meal.
The 917 on here, that's so sick. You want to try the steak?
I don't have sure. Bomb?
I don't know about bomb, but good. To be honest, mine wasn't even that good. Just giving it 1,000. Wasn't even that good. She still got half a burger left. But how is it though?
Bomb.
Bomb.com, just ask your mom. Now we're outside. They got this balcony outside of the restaurant. It's so sick, but I thought they were gonna be louder, but they still sound good when they pull off. Jeez. Bro, there'd be cars flying by right here and they sound so good. I'm trying to capture one for y'all. See if one just passes by. Look at all that traffic on the freeway though. Look all that. And we are in the Porsche Experience showroom now. Bro, look at this race car, bro. What the hell? That is so sick. Look at this, a real race car. Look at the hood, that arrow. Jeez. Insane, bro. With the British racing green too. Then they got the white one over there. That one looks dummy hard, the RSR. We've seen this one a couple times at some shows, even at the Porsche one. But dude, these are sick. The Bad Boys, I guess this one was in Bad Boys or what? We were seeing it the other day. Yeah. Oh, and this one, damn, would be nice. In the first Bad Boys? That's crazy, I didn't even know that. So I guess these both were in Bad Boys. That's hard. Pretty fucking sick. Very nice, very nice. I'd love to own one of these one day. Or this one. This one too would be fine. But this green one right here is crazy. This thing is beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. I need a Porsche in my life, guys. You guys will see it one day. One day. Like, they even got the workroom right here for like race cars. They'll be working on everything. Bro, look at this race car. Oh my god, that thing is beautiful. This is sick. And the white wheels over there. I don't know if y'all can see that. That is sick. What the hell is this? This definitely is an experience, yo. Oh, my battery's about to die right now. Oh, I mean, my storage. But yeah, looking up close of the white one right here. Bruh, this one is sick. Look at all the paint colors, all the colors of Porsche. Oh my god, what if we did like a brown Porsche color? That would be sick. I think I'd probably go with like this one right here.
This is nice too, right here.
I like that brown. Or even like a vanilla. But this brown would be sick. The silver. Off-white. This would be sick though. Look what I just see right now getting parked in here. In a beautiful gray, just getting parked in like this showroom. This is a studio, so I think they take pictures of the Porsche in here. But bro, that's so sick. Look at this. Oh my god, this thing is sick. One day to own, bro. One day. It's so good. That's so sick, bro. We got simulators, so if you ever want to come in here and run them and race, you come in here. Alright, and we is done. We is out of here. That was an experience for sure. Unfortunately, we didn't get to drive the cars or anything like that, but hey, next time, dude. We looked up the prices, bro. Those shits are crazy. It's almost like 4 G's to drive a GT3 RS for like 4 hours. That's crazy, bro. I don't know if I could spend 4 G's, but at least we got the Supra in front of the Porsche dealership. I mean the Porsche Experience Center, which is sick. Sheesh. Wanted to take y'all on an experience with me. It was my first time here. Decided to bring y'all along with me. See how it went, and I think I'm zoomed in. And it was pretty dope. So like if you want to come here with your significant other, have a lunch date, or if you just want to come with your boys and drive cars, make sure y'all got some bread, all right? That's about it. But food was pretty good. Steak was pretty fire. I give it a 8 out of 10. Give it an 8 out of 10. And then the burger, what do you give it?
Like a 8.5.
8.5?
No, actually like a 7.5.
7.5? Damn, that's crazy. I don't know. Y'all gotta come and try and let us know. But that was dope. Yeah, that's the time we got to get home. An hour and 20 minutes. I'm gonna try to break it to an hour, guys. I'm trying to cut us 20 minutes.
You got this.
Porsche inspired me, bro. I'm about to be Need for Speed on these fucking freeways. So we got ourselves a little canyon detour. So we gonna see. We gonna see what's up. Let's see if we gonna have some fun. Rubbing, I can smell the tires. Wait, no, it's not as sport. Now it is. Damn, bro. Yup, those were loud.
Because it's funny.
Let's go. I don't even want to take it. Yo, I think this dude killed somebody. Either he killed somebody or his car is bleeding. One of the two. I don't know. I wanted to get next to him and let him know that his car is bleeding.
We're already gonna turn.
Yeah, we gotta turn. And, hey, your car is bleeding. And if you guys heard that BMW chime, oh, it went away. But let's see if I can show you guys right here. My hood is open. I hit a big ass pothole and it popped open, so I need to pull over right now and close it, but I don't feel like putting over just yet, so I'll pull over right now.